initiate the handovers. And what are the decision parameter, who will decide and on which basis it will decide that it should switch from one technology to other or it will not. And how sessions continuity of application is maintained when just like when someone is talking on the cell phones or on any device and it is moving from one technology to other, its voice will not be disrupted and its session will be maintained. The next, how handover is made automatically without user interventions, how to support real-time and non-real-time applications, how to reduce handover latency and packet loss, how to reduce the ping-pong effect. Ping-pong effect we will discuss later as well. I would like to tell you here as well so you can understand better. Ping-pong effect is when you are between the two technologies. Then your device cannot decide, oh, either it should switching this and this. Within few seconds, you switch from this to this. So we try to reduce this ping-pong effect by using dual timers and different concepts we will discuss later. And how authentication, countings, and billing is done when you are switching from one technology to other, how it will calculate the billings, that it is, how long it will remain attached with this and with this. So we will discuss in later and our procedures and now I would like to tell about little bit handover phases. First of measurement of different parameters of just we are using 3G and WLAN. First it will measure the parameters, then on the parameters it will decide either it should move or not. If it will decide, oh, okay, you have to move the other technology, then execute the handover process, and then it will move from one to others. There are different types of handovers. Horizontal handovers, when handover between the same technology, just like one WLAN to other WLAN. Vertical handovers, when you are switching from different technology, just like 3G to WLAN or WLAN to 3G. There are two types of upward handover and downward handover. When you are going from smaller cell to bigger cell, just like WLAN to 3G, it is called upward handover, and the vice versa is downward handover. Just like hard handovers. Hard handovers means when moving from one technology to others, first one have to leave, then switch into second. Just I will show in the diagram. Here is hard handover. First it will leave this one, then switch into this one. And in software handover, there can be overlapping periods between. At that time, it can be connected at the same time with both technologies or both access points. These are